Tell me yourself.
Thank you for the opportunity, sir. My name is Guru Jyoti. I have completed my BTech in the stream of CSE. I am interested in software testing field and I have learned manual testing. I am familiar with manual testing topic like SDLC, HTLC, and test cases writing. I am a quick learner and I am looking for an opportunity to start my career in software testing.
Okay, you have done your graduation CSE, right?
Yes, sir.
As a CSE person, then why you are coming into testing? Any reason behind it?
Sir, I choose this field because I'm interested in finding the bugs and ensuring the product quality in software applications.
You written in technical skills like you are familiar with manual testing, SDLC, STLC, functional, non-functional testing. Tell me what are different non-functional testing that we are going to have it.
The non-functional testing, sir. Non-functional, we will verify the performance, speed, and security, stability.
Okay, what is the difference between performance and stability then?
Performance testing means here we test the application to check how it behaves under normal load. Stability testing means to find stability we will do monkey testing.
Okay, now tell me, you have done your graduation from Sir C.V. Raman Institute. Okay, affiliate to the end. Okay, not a problem. So, project, explain your graduation project.
My project name is Customer Loan Prediction Analysis, sir. It is recording about when a customer take the loan and when he didn't repay it, what effect to the customer. If he want to take another loan, how it impacts on the next loan. It means when he went to take another loan, it will showing like your CIBIL score is down, so they won't accept to give another loan to the person.
Now, how can you calculate CIBIL score then? So you told, right, okay, depending upon CIBIL score, you are saying that you are not eligible for another loan. Yes. But how can you say that that person has already taken the loan? And what basis you are going to check that that person has already loan?
Banks have the information in their system.
Bank will never give information to you, right?
Bank persons only will check that details.
But you don't have any access to the bank.
When we take the loan, we have the access to, they will give the loan number ID, sir. Based on that, we will check what the amount is pending and what the amount is outstanding amount. We can check in the apps.
Good, very good. I do agree that you have done with respect to these bank sectors, okay? Yes. But your project never deals with real-time bank, right? Yes. You have access to go for bank and ask that, could you please provide the people who are having account number? They never project going to show you, right? But where you test that application then? On what basis you test that application? Is any sample data or else you check with raw data?
Raw data.
But how can you get the raw data?
Some apps are there to check the CIBIL score by using PAN number or like that. We can check.
How can you get my PAN number then? Everyone can provide a PAN number to each and every person. Is it PAN number is public?
No, sir. Ourselves we can check this. We can check it.
Only for ourselves. But take a person is X person coming to picture and apply for the loan for you. But how can you know that that person has that CIBIL score or not without accessing the data of the person?
Finance field have everyone data now.
Okay, fine. Tell me what is the main motive of your project?
To awareness of the CIBIL score, sir. How important CIBIL score is.
Okay, you are calculating CIBIL score depending on the people who are taking credit card, loans, bank account openings, all those things?
Yes, sir. Home loans, personal loans.
Okay, how can you calculate the CIBIL score? Yes, you are calculating CIBIL score. Yes. If you have credit card, how the CIBIL score will increase or decrease? On what factors? How many points?
If he take the loan and he didn't pay that on time, then it affects the CIBIL score.
Now let's take my CIBIL score is 750. Yes. This is my CIBIL score, okay? This is my CIBIL score. If I skip my loan or EMI, my CIBIL score will be down, right?
Yes.
How much percentage of down will be happen?
Sir, I'm not sure about that, sir.
But how can you calculate it? That is my question. See, if it is going to decrease, I do agree. On what factors or the value approx value is going to decrease? If it doesn't skip for loan, right? It skip for credit card bill, again it's going to decrease. On what factor is going to decrease? How much is going to decrease? Because your project deals with CIBIL scores. You told that my project deals with CIBIL scores. Now tell me, how can you categorize it? How can you calculate it? On what factors? This is what you need to explore in the project. Keep in mind, important amount. Yes. Anyhow, and Achievement successful complete the workshop testing. Very good. Improved application quality by identifying the critical defects during the testing. Now tell me, improved application quality by identifying the critical defects during testing. Give me examples of few critical defects you identified while doing the testing. Your achievements, right? In achievement, you written the good point. Improved application quality, very good. By identifying the critical defects. Give me 2 or 3 examples of critical defects that you identified while doing testing
In the project, yes, sir.
in the project.
Critical defects means when I register in the particular web shop project, it is showing like after registration it goes to login page, sir, but it doesn't go to login page. It is showing like a logout page immediately.
Okay, when register happen, direct logout will happen.
Logout
Okay.
will happen. There is no option after registration, sir. After registration, we have to there is a display like login name, password like that. It show, but it doesn't show like that. Direct option is there is a logout. So I think that may be a severe.
You think that may, but how can you categorize that may or think?
Normally it is showing like that. So login page you have to enter
Demonstrated
valid mail ID.
leadership that effective content team using. You're taking a leadership, right? Demonstrated leadership. Now tell me what are the qualities of a leader.
Leader should maintain the team members, removes the miscommunication between the team, and manages the allocating the work into and involve the members.
Okay,
complete the time, complete the project within the
as
time.
your team member, right? You're the lead, okay? You're lead. In under your guidance, there are 5 members are there.
Yes.
One member is always inactive.
Yes.
He's not doing the work, or he or she is not doing the work. Then how can I handle this situation? I have given the task using 5 members. The task should be completed in 10 days. Under this, one member is not working. Then it cannot be completed 10 days, right? And how can you handle the situation as a leader?
And the person is not inactive now. So
Inactive, is not working.
So then only total 4 members.
4 members would be there. On using 4 members, how can complete the work in 10 days? It is impossible. With respect to 5 members only, you can complete 10 days. But if there is 4
that
members,
work I will allocate to 4 members equally, sir.
Load will be having for the 4 members, right?
Yes.
Then what are the qualities of a leader then? Giving a burden to the other people by ignoring that inactive person. How can you handle the situation then as a leadership?
If the person is inactive, I will communicate with the team manager or something to allocate one more person to complete the task in time.
But how can you get the person who have experience like this to complete the work?
Yes.
Again, it will burden for you.
Yes.
Then how can I handle this situation?
To complete the work, I'm also doing that equally. I will also share that work with you.
Okay, good. And now, my last question is, what is the difference between test designing and system designing?
Test designing means here we will prepare the test scenarios and test cases as per the requirements. System designing means here developer team will start the architectural design of the document.
Good. That's it from me and Guru Jyoti. Do you have any questions? Let me have your exam papers. Do you have any questions? Meantime, do you have any questions? No question, nothing? Okay.